Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm gonna be drawing on the iPad for the first time ever. So the materials I will be using are an iPad and an Apple pencil. So first let's get the iPad. So for making a drawing I will be using Adobe Fresco. Alright, so now it's time to create our rough sketch. If you all are wondering what I am drawing, then let me tell you that she is a character from the series Nisekoi and her name is Kuretake Chitoge. So the sketching part is done, now it's time to ink our sketch. So the inking is also done, now it's time to color our sketch. So for coloring I will not be using these markers, instead I will be using the color wheel. So at this point the battery of the iPad started dying, so I have to stop all my work and then put the charger on it. So let's continue tomorrow. So the battery is charged now and let's complete this today. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for more awesome videos and follow me on Instagram. And the drawing is almost complete. Now enjoy the final review.